it is time to put AI to work. Everyone is making claims, AI for this, AI for that. Most of the software company, cloud platform out there have an AI strategy. The AI is only as powerful as the platform it's built on. And I should say not only the platform, but the data that's on the platform. AI can be very powerful, but AI without meaningful data is useless. In order for AI to make decisions to help you with making informed decisions, it needs data. Most likely it needs historical data. So you need to pick the platform that has knowledge of your processes, your business, and has the data so you can truly get the benefits of AI. We've been talking about digital transformation for years. Many years actually. I've been in the business for 20 years, and when I started, we were already talking about digital transformation. We believe that AI is accelerating this, but on the right platform, with a unified platform, we can actually accelerate that transformation with AI, and we can talk in months instead of years. So let's dive in. The reality is a lot of organizations out there still have a variety of different systems and technology that are not integrated. People work in silo. The processes are complex, and it's all siloed. We'll see with ServiceNow how we can bridge those different technology and connect them together and make the workflow in a more efficient way. Because the ServiceNow platform provides that unified data model, modern experience, and those workflow technology that help bridge those silos and between those different technology. We can even help connect your CRM system with your HR system or different system that you have in a different department. So you can keep those Workday or ADP, but make it easy for your employee to access to those information, update those systems, but providing this unified experience on the ServiceNow platform. So basically, what we're trying to say is ServiceNow can help you modernize the way you do work in your organization. And by modernizing the way you do work, it's going to help you embrace those AI and generative AI technology and provide even more value to your business and your end users. ServiceNow provides smarter self-service capabilities, such as helping end user getting answer to the question in a better way and more efficient way and more intelligent way, such as having conversation with a virtual agent, for example, without having to speak to someone, or reducing the manual agent work. By using the power of the platform and the AI on top of it, agent can have access to information that they would normally spend 10 minutes digging into different systems. Now with AI and our different technology, your agent can serve your customers and employees quicker using the generated recommendation and stuff like that. We empower the developers with specific Now Assist capabilities like text to code, so they can accelerate the time it takes to develop a new application, a new script on the ServiceNow platform by just describing what they want to achieve. And with Now Assist, the platform will start coding the project for them. We also improve processes. We have technology using AI and data on the platform. We can eliminate the time spent on researching issues and troubleshooting and identifying root cause. We can use historical data and even do some prediction of what may happen in the next 5 or 10 minutes. So that's just a few examples of where when you couple GenAI and ServiceNow and the meaningful data that you have on the platform, we can accelerate the work. So why us? AI is built organically in the ServiceNow platform and built for the workflows and use cases that we enable for the customers. So it's available right away. You don't need to hire a bunch of data scientists or AI experts and stitch an AI platform with ServiceNow. It's fully embedded. When you activate the Now Assist capabilities, in seconds or minutes, you can already get the benefits of AI on the ServiceNow platform. You get a continuous AI innovation. We continue investing in AI. So as you continue your investment on the ServiceNow platform and keep using ServiceNow, you'll see more and more use cases everywhere on the ServiceNow platform without having to make an investment outside of ServiceNow and customize a bunch of generative AI algorithm. It's native to the ServiceNow platform. With one architecture and one underlying data model, you can integrate with your current and future system quickly. We provide those easy upgrade regardless of the technology you have today or you may acquire tomorrow. So we're gonna take the example of this person who has a leaking roof. And I've been through that, so I know how stressful it is. The way when you have a leaking roof, it's very stressful. The first thing you do is probably talk to your insurance, submit a claim, make sure you're covered for the repair or for the damage. So we're gonna see the current process, typical insurance claim process, and see how we help accelerate the time it takes to process that claim. First, let's have a look at the old way of processing an insurance claim. Without going into too much detail, at the end of the day, the process will start when the user submit the claim, and then there is a huge journey before the claim is completely closed and the user or the customer get the payment, and the issue is finally resolved. A lot of back and forth, a lot of different teams involved, a lot of approvals involved, and different system and technology used. And that back and forth is what's taking so long and not necessarily giving the best experience from a customer perspective, especially when they are at this stressful moment and they want to know if they're going to be covered for the damage, for example. Now we see how the insurance claim process could look like using the ServiceNow platform and our Now Assist technology. So you can see the policyholder submitting the claim, the data from the claim verified against Guidewire, those specific insurance system to verify the policy information. You can see those claim records being created automatically and the communication being sent to the policyholder as we're moving through the different steps of the process. And how we can quickly, make decision, extract data from those documents to, at the end of the day, increase the customer satisfaction, making sure we can answer to the question quicker, which in that case is, am I going to be covered for that damage? I have a leaking roof, it's stressful, I need to pay for repair, I need to get a roofer to go fix my roof. We want to be able to react quickly and provide answers very quickly, and that's what we do with this new process that runs on the ServiceNow platform. Let's jump into the demo. So now we are in the demo portion. You're gonna see how the policyholder is sending via email the claim information to the insurance company. So she will provide the policy detail, the form, the form that has all the detail about the property loss and the damage, even some evidence with a picture and some detail about that property owner, basically. So as I'm sending the email to the insurance company, this triggered the automation. And now we're gonna see a bunch of screens that are from the backend system from ServiceNow platform, all the workflow that are leveraged and used to automate the process. Here we're seeing the DocIntel workflow that basically extract data from that document that was sent by Amy. So I'm gonna open a new workspace, and here you can see how an agent, an operator can review the data extracted from the document. So this is leveraging our OCR capability on steroid, the document intelligence. You can see that the policy number was extracted automatically and mapped to field on ServiceNow, same with the claimant name and so on. As I'm making correction, the system gets better and better over time if I need to make correction. Here I want to note that the loss description was not found in the document, so we'll see how we can leverage other capabilities during that workflow to capture the loss description. As part of the end-to-end process and workflow, there is a workflow that captures data from the email we've received from Amy. And there is a loss description in that email. So we want to grab that email and basically summarize the content of that email to basically find the proper description for the loss description. So you can see the workflow behind the scene. This is whole backend system that an operator or the end user will never see. This is just to explain. So you can see that we're using our Now Assist technology to summarize the content of the email, the body of the email, and we identify the loss description that you can see here. So this is using our GenAI controller that is able to go and even leverage OpenAI outside of the ServiceNow platform. Here, in that case, we use the Azure OpenAI. So we extract that data and we are able to use that summarization within ServiceNow. And we can validate that data against the policy and verify that policy holder, that property owner is covered for that type of damage. The step I'm showing here is a verification of the policy on Guidewire. Guidewire is a system well known and used by insurance company. So this is all kind of verification that normally will happen manually with a claim manager. Here we're using the power of the ServiceNow platform and our automation engine product to go out and use the API of Guidewire to share that information and get a response back to verify the coverage of that user. So we've rebuilt part of our predictive machine learning side of the house and using our machine learning solution to use basically predictive claim and identify if the person is covered for that type of damage and if the policy covered this. So we're using our classification and different machine learning technique to do that. And this will help the claim agent make decision quicker and from an end user perspective, get an answer quicker as well. So we're gonna test this. So we've configured a model to make those predictions, and that's what we are seeing here on the screen. So we have the predict claim coverage, and then as I'm running the test, so now we can see the test result. We've trained the solution with historical data, and we can see as we've run the test, the claim is covered, and we have a confidence score of 98.3 coming back from a machine learning system. So that data help make a decision quicker and threshold can be configured. Now this is me sending an email back to the policy holder asking for additional information, and basically I'm gonna redirect her to a bot that is gonna ask for additional information. So I don't have to directly interact or call that person. The virtual agent, she can interact with the virtual agent bot to provide those additional information, and that's what she will see when she clicks on that email. She will be redirected to that specific insurance bot, and she can call directly from here or answer question directly to the bot as I'm doing right now. And now she's asked to provide a specific date. That's information we need. So we're just gonna provide that date. It was the information missing, and I'm providing the date. The process move on to the next step. It's all orchestrated by the workflow on the ServiceNow platform. And so we'll automatically generate an email to the policyholder saying that here's a claim number, and we're starting to schedule the process so an adjuster can come out. And so basically all the information she needed. And as you can see, all those back and forth was automatically done and orchestrated via workflow. So customers are seeing massive results as they embrace our technology. Rogers deliver seamless customer experience. They've reduced the number of calls in 19%, which is huge. With Siemens boost employee productivity, 1 million hours automated. Dropbox created more resilient and efficient operation. So in the procurement department, they've reduced by 50% the procurement cycle time. So I could go on and on, but as you can see, you can truly achieve business value leveraging the power of the platform coupled with our new GenAI technology. So let's partner together so we can reach that type of ROI and value and benefits for yourself. We'll be happy to have follow-up meeting if you want to attend an EBC, meet at Knowledge, or just jump on the team call with our expert to discuss your particular use case.